Hakapor kumba CBG dunai haka artarik yong arjar penriu ka we kedukan desa kabodon hamot pran kabalatip kerteng ka shwanak sweet and snack ka kemding kensan bat bon kitiar gitar bodon hapo kila inlon u manager ka te kedukan u gutam patang ula pentim ba namar ka jimbom don tendong commercial LPG ban shet jingshet kumta kila pedon kam ban shet jingshet taka diesel Henry hamar bapli yak stop kading ka bakhlain kensan bat pening yak stop baro kawai lem kitiar gitar loong bah kate kapor ki don ki katu ka ningut ki brio ki bawan ba madukan bat markumta kilai mare sabar lon kat ba na kaliang ki nong trei kilai khun hi ban penlip ya kading hadien katu ka ne por lawan poi so ka kali penlip ding bat kumta lala ban tem ya kading balayo jingtem banakane ke jingja omsyam ladon manu menuru ki ba mensau
Started from here, got the fire, the exhaust was on, so it just pulled the fire inside to it's been now 1 hour. It's around 1:30 the incident.
Okay.
So initially everything was normal only, but since there is no this, we are using this diesel bhatti. The diesel is stove, na? So suddenly the flame of the diesel was high, and that caught fire in the utensil where we kept oil for frying puri.
Yeah.
And from there, the fire caught in the chimney, and later the bhatti. So
But
immediately we tried to control the fire using the fire extinguisher and whatever possibility, but it was out of control, and later the firefighters came around. We evacuated all the customers who were there, and only our staffs were there who were trying to put out the fire. Only few customers were there, so the moment it started, we told them to leave this one, and later we called these firefighters.
okay.
To the shortage of gas supply, we are using diesel here, and we have not a single cylinder supply available right now. So we were using charcoal and diesel in place of gas, and that gas stove itself caught fire. Initially only the fire took place due to that diesel bhatti only, through which we were cooking this chole bhature. So that is the main reason, and the other source of this one, we were using charcoal in place of gas, and diesel also in place of gas. So these two were available that time. So the only source of fire is the diesel. Shop is completely burned. Those means from half it is completely burned. There is nothing left behind. So the places from where the wooden construction was there, so everything got burned. I was not present. Immediately I got the news that the fire got in the shop, so I rushed here, and I tried to control as much as I could. Yeah, the emergency, they come around 20 to 25 minutes later.
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya